Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a little bit of insight into our first week on paleo. So if you're new to my channel, I've been on keto diet on and off for a while, and since moving to Ireland I've kind of attempted to do a whole month of keto. I ended up with just a week. I was going to do another week challenge of keto, and then I just thought I'd try and mix it up a little bit, because the last time on keto I struggled a little bit with energy, and I thought maybe paleo, which is similar to keto but allows unlimited fruit and vegetables, might be the key, might help me with my energy. And when I started looking more into the diet, I was chatting about it with my husband and my kids decided they wanted to do it as well. Way back years ago we actually went through the GAPS diet, which is also similar to the keto and paleo diet, completely grain-free, sugar-free, and you move through stages. You start with just bone broth and you slowly move through stages. We did that years and years and years ago for my youngest son for his eczema, so we all did it, not just him. He had terrible eczema when he was a baby, an infant, toddler, and we went to every single imaginable doctor, dermatologist, specialist, skin specialist, to try and get to the bottom of it, and all that we found help with was going natural and going the GAPS diet route. We tried everything, we did everything, nothing helped. So the GAPS diet helped then with his eczema, and he's actually had a couple of breakouts since we came here. So we're quite happy to let him and his brother and all of us go through a little bit of a paleo week. Also, since we've arrived here, if you've been watching my channel, watching my weekly vlog I share every Friday, we've had all kinds of interesting food, so it's nice to kind of have a week of just having grain-free and sugar-free, all home cooked meals. Especially in the next few months I've got loads of travel planned. You'll have to watch to see where in Europe we end up. Home is here in Ireland, but we've got loads of travel plans over our summer to loads of places around Europe, and I know that eating is just going to be happening whatever, so I thought a week or so of paleo would happen now. So yeah, that was a really long intro to get to where we are right now, and I thought I'd just share how we've gone in the last week and what our plans are for the future. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos, and remember to leave a thumbs up and a comment to let me know what you thought of this video. I'm going to try and keep it short and sweet, and I'm going to leave it over to you to ask questions and what future paleo content you want. I have filmed a couple of recipes and other paleo bits that are coming to you soon, so you can look forward to those. But yeah, week of paleo has gone by so quickly, and it was so much easier than I thought it would be. The boys have been superstars at trying different foods and understanding. They're 7 and 9 years old, almost 8 and 10, as my almost 10-year-old keeps reminding me, and they've been superstars at trying different foods. If you want to see more of their meals, I'm happy to share. But actually what I did was, through the week I filmed a few little highlights of meals that I had, which I will share with you now. I'm having forbidden potatoes, leftover roast potatoes, and an omelette for this beautiful meal. I made my keto waffles for breakfast this morning, and I've topped them for the boys with banana and whipped cream. So that's just a yummy paleo breakfast using the yummy keto waffles recipe that I shared recently with you. I've made an old favourite recipe of mine I haven't made in ages, apple and walnut crumble, and of course I've topped it with heaps of whipped cream. But this is such a yummy grain-free dish to enjoy with the whole family, and I've shared this recipe on my blog a couple of years ago. Easy. I'll leave a link to that down below for you if you would like to make it yourself, but that is just one of the yummy dishes we've enjoyed through the week. And this is a meal for my kids. Look at this, we've got little lettuce cups with smoked salmon. My oldest son loves smoked salmon, so he's got lettuce cups with smoked salmon, and my youngest has lettuce cups with tuna. And this could be a meal or a snack, kid or adult. It's just the cute little finger food that they absolutely adore, and it is so good for them. So yeah, our paleo journey has looked a lot like keto, but with loads more fruit and vegetables thrown in. We've made all kinds of smoothies. The boys have I've made banana pancakes for them, which they loved. They've had waffles, the keto waffles with bananas and whipped cream, all kinds of things. But I've definitely made sure they're not in ketosis, and my husband and I aren't either, because we've been enjoying all kinds of fruit and vegetables and having that free reign I felt so good. I've had awesome energy, similar feeling to ketosis. I feel like my face has gone down once again. It happens, go off keto and or keto, paleo, everything seems to kind of expand a little bit. It must probably the water weight, and same with my stomach has gone down as well. And I just felt really good being on paleo. The main thing though has definitely been my youngest son, my 7-year-old skin. All his breakouts have virtually disappeared by removing grains and sugar, which is kind of awesome. That's kind of the only change that we've done, is just removing the grains and the sugar, and his skin is looking so much better. I don't have before and after photos. I'm not sharing that kind of thing on here, but you can take my word for it that his skin has improved and it's looking the best that it's looked in a very, very, very long time. So we're going to do this for a week. The boys actually are encouraging us to continue. They want to do it for another week. So we're home for another week. We're going away in a few weeks time. So I thought, well, okay, we'll do it, and we might loosen the reins and go and find some really good sourdough bread so we can introduce that and see how he goes. Maybe slowly reintroduce foods, not go from where we are now with being grain and sugar free back to where we were before, but almost like a elimination diet. Start with, we're going to find like the best sourdough that we can find in the area. In Ireland, where soda bread is everywhere, it's just so beautiful and almost homemade. We're going to introduce that in the next couple of weeks, just that, and see if he has any reaction in his skin, if there's anything, and then we'll just kind of move on from there and increase other foods as we go. So I found, yeah, as opposed to keto, there's a lot more opportunities for fiber on paleo with all the fruit and vegetables. Obviously a lot more variety of foods with unlimited fruit and vegetables, and I felt good despite not being in ketosis. I felt good. I enjoy the way I feel on paleo, but I have done dairy as well, so it's kind of like paleo plus dairy. As I always say, you've got to find what works for you. For me, I found at the moment paleo plus dairy works great. We'll do it for a couple of weeks, and then because we're going away, I want to enjoy all the foods around Europe. I just want to do that. So I'm going to slowly get back into having a diet which includes some grains and some sugars, so when we travel we can have whatever we want to have. But definitely when we're home cooked meals, I'm going to aim more for keto, paleo plus dairy, that kind of thing. Yeah, that's kind of what I've got to share today, is our experience. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I look forward to connecting with you in the comments. Let me know what you thought, any requests for future videos, anything about paleo meals, paleo with kids that you want to know. I'm aware that this is more of a keto low carb channel, not so much paleo and kids, but if it's something you want and there's enough requests for it, I'll be happy to film more information on that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and yep, comment too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.